Hello everyone, I'm Meliscosplay, maybe you know me from Instagram, and in today's video I show you how I make my Ciri wig from the wig shop. I'm not a professional wig stylist, so please be patient. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe and leave a like to my channel, and yeah. The wig is painted with acrylic paint, which is one option. Of course you can use other types of dye, but since the wig is white, this was the easiest choice for me. I mix the paint from white and black to get light grey. Ciri's wig is ash blonde, but I think the contrast with the grey looks nice. The painting, it's just like normal hair dyeing, if you know. I use a smaller brush which takes longer, but you can make more details in it. Here's the process in short. Divide the wig, lightly apply the paint, comb through, and then blow dry it. In the end you'll have a nice gradient in the wig. Now for the styling. I divide the wig into 3 main sections, right, left and the back. After sectioning the hair, I teased the back part of the wig with a teasing brush to add more volume to the wig, and also to ensure that my own hair doesn't show through the light-colored wig. I also add a small section at the bottom to better hide my own hair, for which I use a lot of hairspray. The bun is actually quite simple, but the challenge for me was the weight of the bun. That's why I used fewer hair strands, taped them and wrapped them around the bun pillows. Make sure it's well secured so it doesn't hang down limply. At the end I just fixed a few details with hairspray and scissors. In the end I just fixed a few details with the hairspray and my scissors, and then it's done. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye!